We just saw a bear. We just heard gunshot. We're on the top of the rock. Hi guys, and welcome to the Duran Journal. Today's video, it's gonna be one more family adventure. We're gonna go camping, and today's camping is going to be at the Sequoia National Park. And this time we're actually going inside the national park. Last camping trip, we were really close, but this one we're gonna go inside, and it's called POTWISHA Campground. So we're gonna spend there a night, and I'm gonna go do some hikes and explore a little bit and maybe see Paradise Creek. We are in Visitor Center.
Fire danger.
And here it goes.
Oh, that's cool.
Tunnel Rock.
Natural or man-made?
Natural.
Something's
I see the
happening.
sign, POTWISHA Campground. That's it.
Wow, epic.
Turn left. What's the temperature?
93.
93. Not too much of a difference from Fresno. Okay.
Area.
Caution.
That is an epic sign.
Makes me nervous. Vamos procurar por bears, filho. Yay! We're here. We're looking for 11. I think that's ours. Bear!
On a dust bear.
We're next. I thought it was a good thing being next to the bathroom. We are here!
Wow!
Diego's gonna check for rattlesnakes first. The lady at the entrance did warn us of them, so no campfires though. That's sad. Vamos?
Mouse? Patas?
Sapatos.
Mouse?
Mãos? Cuidado que tem escada aí, tá? Vamos procurar os esquilos. Mãos? Apá, mãos.
Aqui?
No rattlesnakes, so that's good. All flat ground. We got 2 picnic tables. There's the squirrels. Vem, filho.
You're positively 11, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Vamos ver os esquilos. Pode tirar. The tent is semi up. We just need to put a cover and anchor it down. Diego's doing that right now. And Tiago cannot wait. You need help? Ajuda? He loves going in and couldn't wait. But we need to take off his shoes.
Yay!
Yay!
Fix it. It's not gonna go in well.
Ay!
Vamos fazer a nossa cama?
Okay.
Vamos.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, let's make our beds. Okay, let's come in. Ooh, wow. Ooh.
Aqui? Aqui?
Yeah, fecha aí, tá? You love camping?
Go! Go!
Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Just finished making our bed over here.
Go! Go! Go!
My last camping video, I showed how I make the bed. I will link it over here if you want to see more details. Diego is preparing stuff for the food while we wait for his brother, and our nephew is coming too. I forgot to mention that. So that'll be fun. A little snack break before dinner. Diego preparing some corn for us. And we're just enjoying sitting here. Né, filho? Have some corn. Some mashed potatoes. Gonna have some steak. Stuff for hot chocolate. Yeah.
Hot chocolate.
Maybe. Julian, it's your name.
Whoa, very light. Yeah, me too.
Dude, so hot earlier.
Bro, I've been on this side.
Hi.
And, it's not the same.
My nephew's here.
What's up, bro? Chocolate.
Yay! Oh man. Julian, por aquí. Uh-oh. Yummy. Diego's on food duty as always. The boys are setting up. Tiago is trying to help. Oh my gosh, we saw a bear. Tiago, olha o bear.
Look at the bear, look at the bear, look at the bear.
I don't know if
looking down here.
I don't see the...
It's right there, you see it?
Oh, I see it.
You see it on the camera? It's right over there, yeah.
Right there.
What the? No, why are they making noise?
To spook it.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
oh, that's scary.
And Tiago loves
Hey,
it.
go say bear.
Bear.
Abi.
Bear.
Yes, raw.
We just saw a bear. It was so close to all the camps. We saw some other campers over there making noise and we were wondering why. And then these ones were yelling bear. And I was just walking by. Oh my gosh. Julian! Is your first time seeing a bear?
Yeah,
How was it?
it was crazy.
Yeah. Tiago, você queria ver mais bear?
Oh, there's.
I think it's still here. Over there.
What the heck? Oh, it's coming down here. Is that a full grown or no?
Bear.
Bear, filho. O que é que a gente viu, filho?
Bear.
Bear. Again. It's really close to us, guys. I actually don't feel as scared as my first time because there's a lot more people here. But still, we're gonna go sleep. I think we're gonna go sleep with you.
I'm not going to sleep.
What you doing?
It's coming down here. It's coming down here. Yeah, look, yeah, it's coming down here.
I lost it.
It's right behind this
Oh, I see
bush. Right behind this bush. You're
Oh,
gonna see
I
it.
mean that kid.
Right there.
Yeah, I think it's leaving.
Whoa.
Tiago, that's where your tio will sleep. Dude, that was crazy. Seeing the bear twice. Wow. If you want to see the first time that we saw a bear was here at the Sequoia National Park. We're doing a hike super close to people, and we saw it. I'm gonna put link in the cards and down below too. Like the park ranger
They have a dart gun.
is
They have a
going.
crossbow. I think that's a tranquilizer.
Maybe we'll see. Spooking it. Oh, it's
up
right there.
It's up there.
Oh, I don't know if I can see
It's
it.
running up. You're gonna see the ranger go. Hi, Tiago.
Did it run or it's still there?
No, I ran up that hill to the left.
Oh, so we can't see it anymore?
No.
Oh my gosh. It won't go away. We just heard gunshot. Not gunshot, but probably the tranquilizer. 2 rangers and we have 2 cars. Maybe I was just scare them off, but I don't know if I hit it. 2 rangers. I mean,
No.
go bear.
Go bear.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so after breakfast, our morning has been a little bit eventful. Tiago's allergic to eggs, and we had eggs. He didn't eat any, but I think there was some cross-contamination that he broke out. And I forgot to bring his allergy medicine. I changed my bags from everyday use, where I keep his medication, and didn't bring it. So we had to drive to Lodge Pole Market, and it's about 45 minutes from POTWISHA. So, and we bought Benadryl. But before that, he was breaking out really bad, and I have essential oils, and I brought this copaiba, and it really helped. He actually he was all swollen, and it went down, and it helped. So that made me a little bit less worried. But he took the Benadryl, and we're gonna drive back 45 more minutes, and I'm gonna pack up and go to Paradise Creek. Hopefully this morning, the rest of the day will be smooth. So much fun, uneventful rest of the day. Tiago got car sick, threw it all up, so we're cleaning him up.
Peanut butter and jelly. Okay.
Oh man. Back on the road again. We made it. Now pack up camp. We're all packed up. It's ready to go. Okay, so from POTWISHA Campground, we're gonna go to Hospital Rock parking lot, and there will be the trailhead for us to go to Paradise Creek. Let's get started. Oh my gosh, it's great swimming.
I've ever seen. I mean,
Off of it. Can you?
No.
Oh.
oh wait, up there maybe?
Oh my gosh. This is really fast. I guess you can go further. Ooh, it's slippery. Wow. And they was just there. They're coming down. We're on the top of the rock. They want to jump up over here. Go! Just do it and I will get out of the way. careful.
Oh,
It's a fast current.
so sick.
Eso tiene ella? Back now. Tiago, as you can see, is passed out. We swam and played. It was a lot of fun, and went back and had some lunch. Now we're heading back home, and I hope you guys enjoyed because we had tons of fun. This was actually for my birthday weekend. So next video I'm gonna be older, and if you guys liked it, I'm gonna link down other videos for our camping trips and other Sequoia and hikes that we do, and consider subscribing. See you guys next time.